friends. Today's video is about a very simple, easy lunchbox recipe. The easiest way to sneak vegetables in a fussy eater's diet is parathas. Let's make a super easy, yummy cauliflower or gobi paratha. I have made the dough for the paratha already. I have made it a little stiff so that when we keep the filling and roll it out, it will be easy. Now for the filling, I have cut one medium cauliflower into florets and soaked them in water with a little salt and turmeric for 20 minutes. If there are any insects or worms, it will come out while doing this. One large onion, a handful of coriander leaves, a few garlic cloves, a piece of ginger. Adding garlic is optional. 2 green chilies, half teaspoon garam masala powder and half teaspoon amchur or dry mango powder. This gives a very nice tangy taste to the filling. This amchur powder is easily available in stores. Salt to taste and half teaspoon turmeric powder. You can use a grater to grate the cauliflower florets. It should be very fine like this. Today I am going to use a chopper blender. I have added the onion, ginger, garlic and chilies to the blender. Mince it finely. This will take just a few seconds. No more tears. Now I will add the cauliflower florets and mince it. If we use a manual grater, it will take a longer time. Doing this takes only a minute. Add the coriander also to this and shred it finely. Now in a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. I have used groundnut oil. Heat it. Add half teaspoon of jeera. Allow to splutter. Now add the minced onion, ginger, garlic and chili. You can see how fine the pieces of onion are. Add a little turmeric powder, salt to taste and saute. Add the shredded cauliflower and coriander. Mix well and cook on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Mix well. Close and cook on the medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the cauliflower has cooked well and all the water is absorbed. Now add half teaspoon of the amchur or dry mango powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well. It should be dry so that the paratha will not be soggy. Switch off and allow to cool. While making gobi or cauliflower parathas, you should roll it and cook immediately. You cannot roll all the parathas and then start making it. Take a medium orange sized portion of the dough. Roll it thick. Keep the filling inside. Hold the edges and close it. Seal it in such a way that the filling doesn't come out. With practice, you will be able to do it well. Roll it again after dusting some wheat flour. Roll it a little thick. Keep the hot tawa ready. Since the cauliflower leaves out water, it should be placed on the hot tawa as soon as we roll it. Cook on both sides, adding a teaspoon of oil. This makes an excellent lunchbox recipe. Easy to make. It goes well with any raita or pickle. Flip to the other side and cook well till you see brown spots all over. Add another teaspoon of oil or ghee for added taste while cooking it. You can check the aloo paratha recipe posted in our channel. The link is posted in the description box. Even children who refuse to eat vegetables would love to eat these yummy parathas. We enjoyed our lunch with this fantastic, tasty gobi or cauliflower paratha, along with pomegranate raita and pickle, and the hot paratha topped with butter. Mmm, so yummy and tasty. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you are watching my video for the first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and give your comments in the comment box below. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more interesting and easy recipes. Bye.